Hello guys, welcome to Daily Dose of Tutorials. In today's video I'm going to show you how to optimize and make your windows faster. Those optimizations are going to be very simple and easy to make. Let's get started. In the beginning we are going to Windows search and type power and sleep settings. Then open them. Go to additional power settings and click on show additional power plans. If you don't have it there, you have it up like me and check high performance. Then go to change plan settings, change advanced power settings and change 20 minutes to 0. Then we are going to apply and OK that. Make sure you have turn off the display never and this also never. Save changes, then close this. Next we are going to share the experiences and disable them. Also notifications and actions, disable them. Next up, go back to home and look for privacy. Open privacy. At general, we need to disable all of those, and speech also disable. Inking and typing, make sure you have disabled. Location disabled. Camera must be on. Microphone also on. Voice activation on. Notifications off, and also account info, contacts, all of them we need to disable. Okay, we disable them all. Then we need to go back to home, then search for gaming, open gaming section, disable Xbox game bar, turn it off, captures also off, game mode off, and Xbox networking, you don't have to work with this. Next up, we are going to this PC to find this PC. Right click, go to properties, go to advanced system settings, then at performance we need to open the settings and choose adjust for best performance. Then apply this. We'll need to wait around 10 seconds. Then OK, and close that. The next settings are going to be for GPU, to optimize a little bit of GPU. Right click on desktop and go to NVIDIA control panel. Go to adjust image settings with preview. Check use my preference and slide it to the left to performance, apply. Next go to manage 3D settings and make sure you have texture filter in quality high performance. And power management mode to prefer maximum performance. At OpenGL rendering GPU, make sure you have selected your GPU. In my case, NVIDIA GTX 1070. Then go to change resolution, make sure it's on PC and maximum resolution, and select the refresh rate. In my case, 240. Go to adjust desktop and position size and position, and make sure you have checked the full screen option. So yeah, these are the basic settings to boost your in-game and Windows performance. If you guys enjoyed this video and you are happy with the results, please do remember to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.